introduction to our constitution. Let's revise the few things. You have seen there are some rules and regulations in every country. Let's see. In the civics textbook of the previous classes, we saw many reasons why rules are necessary in our lives. We follow norms and rules in order that the activities in the family or schools or village or city are carried out smoothly. There are no rules in family. However, there are norms about the behavior of members in a family. There are rules in a school regarding admission, uniform and studies. Different competitions also have their own rules. When there are different competitions, they have also their own rules. The administration of our village or city is also carried out in accordance with rules. Similarly, the administration of our country is carried out through a system of rules. The rules regarding family, school, village or city are limited in nature. But the rules or provisions about the administration of a country are much wider in scope. See, there are some rules. The lesson name is Introduction to our Constitution. What do you mean by Constitution? Constitution is the list of rules and laws that the people of the country agree to how they want to be governed. Almost all countries have their constitutions. एक rules असतात जे आपण किंवा त्या कंट्रीच्या सिटीजन्सनी कॉमन पीपल्सनी मान्य केलेले असतात आणि त्यानुसार पूर्ण कंट्रीमधलं कामकाज चालत असतं. Almost all countries have their constitutions. Why rules are necessary for life? We must be knowing various rules and laws given by the government. आपल्याला गव्हर्नमेंटने काही रूल्स दिलेले असतात ते आपण फॉलो करायचे असतात. We have rules and regulations everywhere. Okay, here no rules in order to activate family, schools, village or city are carried out smoothly. तिथलं कामकाज स्मूथली चालावं म्हणून everywhere there were rules. Family also, for example, family also have some rules. There are rules in schools also. काय rules असतात स्कूल मध्ये? For example, rules regarding admissions, rules regarding uniforms. You should wear your uniform daily. असे काही rules प्रत्येक स्कूल मध्ये असतात. Like rules regarding behavior in school. Okay, and in family there are no rules, but there are some norms. जे फॅमिली मध्ये जे काही नियम असतात त्याला नॉर्म्स म्हटलं जातं. ते काही कुठे लिहिलेले नसतात, सो त्यांना नॉर्म्स म्हणायचं. बट we all follows our family norms. ओके, घरात कसं फॅमिलीत मोठ्या माणसांशी मोठ्या आवाजात बोलायचं नाही, उलटं बोलायचं नाही, लहानांशी चांगलं वागायचं, हे आपल्या घरात 7च्या आत घरात पाहिजे हे जे काही रूल्स असतात दॅट इज नॉर्म्स इन आवर फॅमिली. ओके. Some standards regarding our behavior in family we have taught. Okay, that is norms. So we can say to maintain discipline or regulation and healthy atmosphere we need to have certain rules, regulations everywhere. So government form rules and regulations for country. जसं आपली फॅमिली एक आहे तशी पूर्ण फॅमिली नंतर सिटी येते, डिस्ट्रिक्ट येतं, स्टेट येतो आणि नंतर कंट्री येते. पण कंट्रीचा एरिया खूप मोठा असतो, वायडर स्कोप. मग कंट्रीसाठी रूल्स कोणी फ्रेम केलेले आहेत? तर गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म rules and regulations for country. Who has found these rules? Government has framed these rules. Okay. Now see the meaning of constitution. The book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of a country are mentioned together in a systematic way is called a constitution. Here is the definition of constitution. The book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of the country are mentioned together in a systematic way is called constitution. In a book, ते एक पुस्तक आहे. In which all the provisions regarding the administration of the country. ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन म्हणजे कामकाज, जे काही देशामध्ये चालतं ते सगळं, त्याच्या संबंधी प्रोव्हिजन्स रिगार्डिंग द ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कंट्री आर मेन्शन टुगेदर, एकत्रितपणे लिहिलेले असतात. इन अ सिस्टमॅटिक वे, एका विशिष्ट पद्धतीनं लिहिलेले असतात. इज कॉल्ड अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कळलं? See, this makes a constitution a written document of provisions related to the administration of the country. Same तेच सांगितलेलं आहे. This makes the constitution a written document of provisions related to the administration of country. Government is established by the representative elected by the people. गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणजे कोण असतं? गव्हर्नमेंट आर सम पीपल हू इलेक्टेड बाय कॉमन पीपल. जे आमदार, खासदार, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लिमेंट अँड मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा, these all are included in government. And who elected them? कॉमन पीपल. इलेक्शन्स होतात, तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल. कोण इलेक्शनला वोट करतं? ऑल पीपल. सो कॉमन पीपल इलेक्टेड द गव्हर्नमेंट. It is bound to carry out the administration of the country as per the provision of constitution. The rules and provisions in the constitution are the basic or fundamental law of the land. While making laws, the government is bound to follow the constitution. If it does not do so, then the judiciary can declare those laws null and void or unconstitutional. म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट and all the administration should carry out as per the rules and regulations, or you can say provisions in constitution. Government make rules for administration of country according to provisions given in constitution. And if it does not do so, गव्हर्नमेंटला सुद्धा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करण्याचे कंपल्शन असतं. आणि जर त्यांनी तसं नाही केलं, काही कायदे हे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो न करता केले, रूल केले असे की जे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नाही आहेत, then if it does not do so, then the courts can declare. Judiciary means courts. You can fight against government in courts. Then governments can declare those laws null and void, means invalid, बेकायदेशीर, or unconstitutional. ते laws इनव्हॅलिड आहेत, योग्य नाही आहेत, असं कोर्ट ठरवू शकतो. ओके. प्रोव्हिजन्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. The provisions in constitution are about different things. That is citizenship, the right of citizen, the relationship between citizens and the state, subject of the laws to be made by the government, elections, restrictions on government, jurisdiction of the state, etc. Country is not a small area. Okay, country म्हणजे काय आपलं घर नव्हे, ते big area, wide area. So there are so many things are continuously happening or going on in country. बऱ्याच गोष्टी होत असतात. So provisions in the constitutions are also about so many things. There are so many provisions for so many things in our constitution. There are provisions regarding everything in our constitution. Almost all countries have their constitutions or rules. Here is for example. Examples दिलेले आहेत कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मध्ये. कसले कसले असू शकतात प्रोव्हिजन्स? कसले रे? तर सिटीजनशिप ऑफ राइट्स ऑफ सिटीजन्स. Citizens means citizens is a person born and brought up in that particular country, got a citizenship of that country. I born in India and brought up in India, so I am the citizen of India. त्याच्याविषयीचे प्रोव्हिजन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मध्ये आहेत. राइट्स ऑफ सिटीजन्स, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन सिटीजन अँड द स्टेट, आपलं कंट्री आणि सिटीजन्स यांच्यामध्ये जे काही रिलेशन्स आहेत त्याच्याबद्दलचे रूल्स असतात. सब्जेक्ट ऑफ लॉ टू बी मेड बाय द गव्हर्नमेंट्स. गव्हर्नमेंट कुठले कुठले लॉज करते त्याच्याबद्दलचे प्रोव्हिजन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मध्ये असतात. आणि रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स ऑन गव्हर्नमेंट, jurisdiction of states, jurisdictions means courts, restrictions on government, गव्हर्नमेंटलाही काही बंधनं असतात, त्याबद्दलचे सगळे प्रोव्हिजन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मध्ये इन्क्लूड असतात. Almost all countries have accepted the principle of governance according to the constitution. Yet the nature of the constitution of different countries is different. There are difference of country history, social structure, culture, tradition, etc. Between the countries, similarly, there are needs and objectives also might be different. Each country tries to create a constitution that is not only suited to its need and objectives, but also is in tune with its distinct nature. Almost all countries have their constitutions and rules according to their constitution. But all countries' constitutions are not same because there is so many differences in every country. All countries are not same. Every country has different history, different culture and different social culture structure and different traditions also. So, while making rules or constitution in every country, make them according to their needs and objective. All these have taken account. सगळं बघितलं जातं आणि त्यानुसार प्रत्येक देश आपापल्या गरजेनुसार अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड्स अँड ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह दे मेक देअर ओन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Okay. Necessity of a constitution. There are several advantages of governing a country with the help of rules and provisions included in constitution. There are several advantages to follow the constitution. खूप काही ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत कॉन्स्टिट्यूशननुसार कंट्रीमधलं ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चालवण्याचं. गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज अ फंक्शन विदिन अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स. दीज रिड्यूस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ द मिसयूज ऑफ द पॉवर अँड अथॉरिटी they have been given. It is also compulsory, it is also necessary for government also to follow provisions included in constitution. So as they are following the constitution, government also cannot make misuse of power or authority they have. गव्हर्नमेंटकडे आपण सगळं आपला देश सोपवलेला असतो. आपण त्यांना इलेक्शनमध्ये वोट देऊन त्यांना गव्हर्नमेंटमध्ये इन्क्लूड केलेला असतो. सो पण ते कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करतात त्यामुळे त्यांनाही मिसयूज करता येत नाही, चुकीचा वापर करता येत नाही. The constitution includes the rights and freedom of the citizen. Government cannot take away these rights. Therefore, people's rights and freedoms are safeguarded. Constitution has given several rights to country's citizens. Government cannot take away these rights. Even the common man can also go to court to fight against government. If government do anything wrong, you can also go to court and fight against government. Constitution gives some rights to all. Because of provision of constitution, nobody can take advantage of power, and government also cannot take away our rights. Running a country as per the provisions of the constitution is the same as establishing the rule of law. Then there is no scope for misuse of power or high-handed administration. Again the same, running a country as per the provisions of constitution. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मध्ये इन्क्लूड असलेल्या प्रोव्हिजन्सनुसार जर देशात काम व्हायला लागलं तर देर इज नो स्कोप फॉर मिसयूज ऑफ पॉवर और हाय हँडेड ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. कोणीही मिसयूज ऑफ पॉवर करू शकत नाही. पॉवर दॅट मे बी अथॉरिटी और मनी पॉवर. नो वन कॅन, नो स्कोप फॉर मिसयूज ऑफ पॉवर. If a country is run as per the constitution, the faith that the common people have in the government increases. They then become keen on participating in the activity of the government. Democracy is strengthened due to the increased participation of the people. What they have said? Constitution gives certain rights to citizen. Okay. As the citizens of country knows that the government has also following the provisions given in constitution. There is some several provisions for government. If we know that the government also following the constitution, people can have faith on government. ओके, आपल्याला जर माहिती असेल की गव्हर्नमेंट कायद्यानेच वागतंय, कायद्याच्या बाहेरचं काही करत नाही आहे, तर आपला अर्थातच गव्हर्नमेंटवरती फेथ वाढणार, विश्वास वाढणार. सो द इन्क्रीज्ड पार्टिसिपेशन और सपोर्ट ऑफ कॉमन पीपल in government activities. The strength of democracy will also increased. Democracy is strengthened due to the increased participation of the people. Constitution presents some political ideal before the country. The nation is also bound to act in that direction. It creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security and preservation of human rights. Since the Constitution also includes the list of citizens' duties, it fixes the responsibility of the citizens as well. The nation has to follow rules or provisions included in Constitution. It makes healthy and secure atmosphere in country. जेव्हा सगळेजण रूल्स आणि रेग्युलेशन्स जे दिलेले आहेत आपल्याला ते पाळतात, तेव्हा एक हेल्दी ॲटमॉस्फिअर अँड सिक्युअर ॲटमॉस्फिअर कंट्रीमध्ये राहतं. As we get some rights included in constitution, citizens should know their duties also. आपल्याला जसे citizensना there are several rights also, but as we get rights, it includes citizens should know there are several duties also. Constitution fixes some duties and responsibilities to citizens, and we all should follow them. Common people or citizens of nation should follow their duties and responsibilities as well. Okay. The next topic is what is administration. We will see it in next video.